In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can copy Instagram hashtags from a post on your mobile device. So you want to go to a post where you want to copy the hashtags from. In this case, I'm going to go to this post. Then you want to tap on those three vertical dots next to the post on the right. Then you want to tap on copy link. Then you want to go to your web browser on your phone. So in this case, I'm going to go to Google Chrome, and I've launched Google Chrome. And then you want to make sure that you're on the desktop version of Google Chrome. So you tap on those three vertical dots at the top right. Then you tap on desktop site right at the bottom, and that's going to load up the desktop site. And then you just want to paste in that link, hit go, and then it'll load up the post in the desktop version of the website, and you can scroll down to the hashtags, and then you can long hold on the hashtags, and then you can go ahead and copy all the hashtags. And then I tap on copy, and the hashtags will be copied to my clipboard. So that is how you copy the hashtags of an Instagram post on mobile. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.